Hey guys, it's Jean, the dietitian with CFit Studio. I'm here today to talk to you about a virtual workshop that we're going to be offering coming up. And we're going to talk about immunity and how we can use nutrition to help support that. You've probably been hearing a lot about your immune system and some of these different foods or these different supplements that you can take to help support that. For example, you might have read about elderberry or turmeric or certain foods that you should be eating. And you probably have a lot of questions about, are these things true? How can they really help me? So that is exactly what our workshop is all about. And we're going to sort out all of these answers. And I'm going to talk to you all about the foods that you want to eat to help support your immune system, as well as foods that you may want to stay away from that might not be so helpful. So we're going to be offering this on May 12th. At 7 p.m. right here. We're going to be live with you, giving you all the good information. There will also be an opportunity for you to ask questions at the end, and I will, of course, answer those for you. So come with your questions, write them down, bring them with you, bring an open mind and ready to learn about how nutrition, which is really the simplest way that you can support your immune system and your overall health. So food is number one. So we're gonna sort it all out for you. So come on through, check it out. There's a link in the comments for our contact information so you can find out how to sign up. It'll be $10 per person, which I think is a pretty small price to pay for all the invaluable information that you're gonna get. Again, this will be straight from a dietitian. I'll give it to you straight. Those of you who know me know that's what I do. So we just really want to help support you in every way that we can. And this is just one more way that we can give you the best information possible and help support you being your best self. So come on out and see us. And we hope to see you there May 12th at 7 p.m.